Bumble Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make easy peasy pink lemonade. But what's the secret ingredient? 7 pink leapin' lemons. Woo-wee! It's a hot summer day, and the Bumble Nums are trying to beat the heat while they wait for the lemons to ripen. Feeling cool, Humble?
Yum!
How about you, Grumble?
Yum.
And Stumble?
Yum!
Look, Bumble Nums! The lemons are turning pink and are leaping from tree to tree. You know what that means. The pink leapin' lemons are ripe.
Yum!
Now remember, Bumble Nums, we need 7 pink leapin' lemons. Go get 'em! One.
Yum!
2.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum!
3.
Yum!
Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum!
4. You just need 3 more pink leapin' lemons, Bumble Nums.
Yum! Yum!
Yum!
5, 6, 7. You did it, Bumble Nums. Wasn't getting the 7 pink leapin' lemons easy peasy? Let's get them back to the Bumble Nums kitchen.
Yum!
Yum!
There's the kitchen.
Yum! Yum! Yum!
Yum!
What a lovely leapin' entrance, Bumble Nums. Do you have all 7 pink leapin' lemons? Sweet! Now that we have the secret ingredient to make our easy peasy pink lemonade, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Bumble Nums, you've done it again! How does it taste, Bumble Nums? Is it cool and refreshing?